Python inheritance, metaclasses and type function. I can't understand why the following code behaves a particular way, which is described below. Why does repr myclass2 says abc.myclass2, which is by the way not true? Thank you.
The problem stems from the fact that app_meta overrides _new_ and calls its superclass constructor, type, there. Type derives the _module_ for the new class from its calling context 1. In this case, the type call appears to come from the ABC module. Hence, the new class is _module_ set to ABC, since type has no way of knowing that the actual class construction took place in _main_. The easy way around is to just set _module_ yourself after creating the type. I would also recommend filing a bug report. Related, base metaclass overriding _new_ generates classes with a wrong _module_, weird inheritance with metaclasses. 1. Type is a type object defined in C. Its new method uses the current global _name_ as the _module_, unless it calls a metaclass constructor.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.